Hey guys, it's Maya from TradeLabs, and in today's video we're gonna have a look at the gold forex trading strategies for today's market. We had some really powerful moves and some really surprising comebacks for the gold forex trading strategies today. So I'm really excited to jump into this video and show you guys what happened. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and like I mentioned in the intro, in today's video we're gonna do a short and sweet recap on the gold forex trading strategies for today's gold market. And I'm so excited because in the beginning of the day it was very, I would say, choppish, but then since midday and just about until now the gold forex trading strategies have been absolutely insane and could have led to such incredible opportunities for you guys and for everyone who loves gold forex trading in general. And I'm going to jump into those details in just a few seconds, but I'm so excited to show you guys what happened. Okay guys, so you should be able to see the chart that I'm showing on the screen right here, and you can see this is your traditional 1 minute chart, your traditional candlestick chart that everyone is using, and the perfect example of how your gold forex trading strategy should not look like. And you heard me right. So this is a very basic chart which doesn't exactly help you in terms of taking decisions and understanding what happened in the gold market and what gold forex trading strategies you should be applying. It's just a bunch of squiggly lines which doesn't help anyone involved, and it doesn't have anything real and powerful moves that to make you think, yes, that's the point where I want to get in. You just simply won't be able to find this in the chart that I'm showing on the screen right here. It's just too messy and you would struggle so much at understanding what's happening here behind the scenes and in terms of the gold forex trading strategies. And as you know, gold forex is usually one of the trickiest markets to play with. This market is no place for beginners, especially if you don't know what you're doing. You can easily get burned just by playing a simple trade. Again, if you don't know what you're doing, and combined with this squiggly chart is just a perfect receipt for disaster. But then don't worry, because with just one click of your mouse, this chart can be transformed into this beautiful chart that we have created here at TradeLabs just for this purpose. Now, what you see on the screen right here is the momentum trading indicator, which is a proprietary indicator created here by our team at TradeLabs, especially so you can have the best kind of information and the best kind of chart, indicators, signals, direction of the market, everything you need in order to trade forex and to have the best gold forex trading strategies. Now, in order to explain what this is, basically the green and the red bars, these represent the price bars and how the market is actually moving. This is the best indication of how the market is going, if it has an upward trend or a downward trend. At the same time, you have the red and the green shapes, or areas if you want to call them. These represent the direction of the market, which is really important to have, especially when you are trading gold forex. Now, if you are new at gold forex trading, you must know that the very most important thing that you need to know about gold forex trading strategies is that you should know the direction of the market as soon as you get into this game. Without the direction of the market, you will definitely struggle at gold forex trading strategies, because nothing will be easy to understand. So even if that means you have to go back and study the long-term charts and the short-term charts in order to understand what the direction of the market may be, you still might be left with some questions or insecurities on where to get into the trend and where to get out of this trend. Unless you have this momentum trading indicator that I'm showing on the screen here and is giving you all the information you already need in a very concise and clear format where you can clearly see the signals and everything else, then you will definitely struggle at gold forex trading strategies. One thing that I did not mention yet is the fact that this momentum trading indicator is also alerting you of any starting point of a trend change, which is a game changer, because boys and girls, this indicator is telling you when to get in on trade and when to get out of a trade. Without any doubts, without any second thoughts, without any insecurities, you just go in and then go out and then make your day worth it. Now, this kind of information is such a powerful tool to have in the gold forex trading strategies because this gives you, like I mentioned, everything you need. Okay, so what I'm showing on the screen here is just a snippet of today's gold forex trading strategies and the gold forex trading market in itself. Now, like I mentioned, this is just a small part of today's market and just one of the trends that I wanted to show you guys in order to understand the kind of potential that lies just behind trading the XAUUSD market. Okay, so coming back to this snippet of today's gold forex trading strategies, we have this entry point that I'm showing on the screen here, which was the long signal notification where the momentum trading indicator has sent you a sound notification that the market trend has changed and the XAUUSD Forex Trading Strategy is starting to go up. And this is the moment where you would come in and say, I want into this trade, and come in and take the trend. Now, obviously, this notification came in at just around midday, 12:30, which lasted all the way until just recently, actually, just around 4 o'clock. On the other side of your screen right now would be the actual exit point. This is the moment where the momentum trading indicator will come in and say, now is the moment for you to get out of this trend in order to make a really good one of it. Now, just by looking at the possibilities of this amazing, beautiful green trend that we have on the screen sharing right now, if you take and just do the maths on just the possibility of this trend, you would be amazed of what lies behind it, the potential that lies behind it. So if you actually do the math behind these two amazing points in this trend for today's gold forex trading strategy, you'd be amazed with the kind of potential that lies behind of it. We are just looking at about 1914 minus the 1933 point of exit, which would leave you with just around 19 points. And for those of you who are new to this channel, then don't worry, I'm going to tell you guys what exactly this means. Because points are not pips, but it's a really easy way to calculate your pips based on your points. It's basically just a matter of multiplying your points with 100 and then you'd get your pips. So in this case, of course, as you can probably guess, if you already have 19 points multiplied by the 100, you would have 1,900 pips into one trend in the gold forex trading strategy for today. And if that is not amazing, then I don't know what is, because this momentum trading indicator has told you the exact point where to get in, where to get out in order to have a potential of 1,900 pips. And if you don't know what's the actual real value of this number, go on, have a look. I'll wait here. Like you probably guessed, this was another really sweet comeback for the gold forex trading strategies because of the beginning of the day was just a little bit choppy. And after the whole of the last 2 weeks, you would be amazed of what exactly happened the past 2 weeks. But if you don't know already, then I would suggest to go and watch all the previous videos, because I go through each one of these days one by one and tell you guys what was the best trend out of each day. And if you sum those numbers up, insane amount of pips, life-changing. But this is just another crazy day in the gold forex trading strategy. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and you found it informative and really useful for your trading skills. This was another really strong comeback in the terms of the gold forex trading strategies and the potential of the market itself. This kind of potential wouldn't have been possible without the momentum trading indicator, which is the best. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.